Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Utami and Pisani. Good lady. Good lady. Beqanda Liga Mam Kize. Did you see how old is Utami, guys? She's very old, like Dala. But yes, look. So recently, Indloga Mam Kize got raided after Imotos had and stuff. And the house was raided because ushon Patala SARS and allegedly Bokona, that one SARS official begins investigation alone, and he almost got shot. So that's why it was always a allegedly. And then Utamia got arrested during the raiding. Tamia got so defensive to a point where I'm a police sometimes guys uba good, but know your limits. Ungabi so pap because bazokushiya lapha ebhendini angeke everyone is quiet and then wena nagoku uyapapa. Even the old mom Kizi was quiet, and then when you're you just acting all defending and stuff. Yebo siyazi ukuthi ujolani qanda le uyazi ngihlezi naba-andile guys uthami mdala, but sizawuthini anything for money, like anything for money. But ke kuthiwa ugele arrested. Azabuhlungu indaba guys. Thank you for watching. Nikele kulwa kwabo ma-boyfriend wenu.